Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Lalit Mali and today I am introducing you something very special. You are thinking what it may be. This is the kind of budget smartphone I am showing or showcasing you so that you can know what are the pros and cons, what are the details that you can get from this video. Now I am unboxing this beautiful phone. This is Oppo A38, which has 4 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM, and which has 4 GB extendable RAM. Now you can see the luxurious and charming phone. I'm just unwrapping it to show you something special. Wow! You can see the aura, the charmness of this phone, and you can see it has 50 megapixel main camera and 2 megapixel depth camera having LED light in it, and it has power button which has sensor. You can use your fingerprint to unlock the phone, and it has volume up and down button, and it has type C charger, speaker, and 3.5 mm headphone jack. So by the way, it has 5 megapixel selfie camera. Now I'm putting this aside and I am searching what is inside the boxes. So now you can see it. This is the pin which is used to this eject the SIM slot. You can see it. So it has one SSD, sorry, memory card, two nano SIM slot in this phone, which is quite good, I think. It has some kind of manual, safety guide, and this quick guide. I'm putting this all aside. So this is the phone case. It is soft. I like this. I'm putting this inside my phone so you can see how it looked like. I am stuck in it. So I am opening the phone. In that time, you can see the 33-watt fast charger, which is Super VOOC, and it has Type C. So, what good we can get from this 33-watt charger? Well, you can charge your phone 50% within 30 minutes time. So, it has color operating system. So, the phone is opened. Now, I can show you the about section of this phone. So, you can see the phone. Now, you can see the phone has model CPS 2579 and a processor which is Helio G85, and it has quite big battery with this 5000 mAh battery. That is super cool, and it has a screen of 6.56 inch. By the way, I have already told you that it has 4 GB extendable RAM as well. So what next? It has video quality which is quite good. It has 1080p with 30 fps camera, and phone quality is quite good. It has HDR and panorama shot as well. So on a closer look, on a closer look, you can see something else. Now we can see something very special. That is, it has golden color, which is quite shiny. You can see. Just I am removing this cover to show you that how good it is. You can see the charmness. The phone is quite good. So this is the kind of budget smartphone for the person who has budget up to 16 to 20,000. You can use this phone, which is super good, and it has best performance for this price range as well. So now keep watching the video. Do subscribe my channel, like, comment, and what next you want. Tell me in the comment section. I will review that product. Bye bye for this time.